welcome back. This is Engineer Sam Wasapi. So in this video, I'll be looking at the fluid mechanics problem. So before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe. So the question reads to say, a tank contains 400 kg of a liquid whose specific gravity is 2. Determine the volume of the liquid in the tank. Alright, now, in order for us to solve this question, let us collect the data that we have. The data we have in question is the mass, which is 400 kg. Other than that, we've been told that the specific gravity of the liquid is 2. So saying specific gravity of the liquid is 2. Now, when they say the specific gravity of a liquid is 2, it means that the density of this particular liquid is 2 times the density of water. Therefore, in order for us to find the volume of this particular liquid, we first have to find its density. So we're saying that the density of the liquid will be the specific gravity of the liquid times the density of water. And we have been told that the specific gravity is 2 and the density of water is 1000 kgs per meter cubed. And if we use our calculators wisely, we'll be having a value of 2000 kgs per meter cubed. And this is now the density of the fluid. We all know by now that density is the mass per unit volume, meaning that density is inversely proportional to the volume, implying that the volume is equivalent to the mass over the density of the liquid. We've been told that the mass is 400 kgs and the density of the liquid, as we have found in this question, is 2000. If we apply our math, our volume will be 0.2 meters cubed. And this is the volume of the liquid that they want us to find in this context. Alright, thanks for watching. Remember, slow progress is better than no progress. Let's adjust before becoming a statistic. So I push for that A+.